Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app Teamgate Actions Automation for workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and then click on it. Click on Install to choose an account where you want to install it. Then click on Continue. Click on Allow and Install. Copy the custom menu link. Switch back to the account. Click on Settings. Click on Custom Menu Links and then click on Create New. Insert an icon. You give a title and then you paste the custom menu link right over here. You choose a sidebar preference. You choose an account and then choose a role-based visibility and click on Save. Once you are done with the custom menu link, switch back to the account. Search for the custom menu link, click on it, and this interface is going to pop up with all the available apps. Search for the app and click on the Manage icon. Then the second interface is going to pop up where you will have all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to start your journey with this app is right here. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to walk you through on the step-by-step process to get your credentials and set up your app. We have the app set up. No worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on the Start Setup button and you'll be required an API key and a token to complete the configuration. Let's head to the account we created online. Click on your profile, click on Settings. Head over to Additional Features and click on it. Click on the External API. And you click on New API Key Request. You give a sample name. Click on Create. Click on the test. Copy the API key. Switch back to your account and you paste. Head back to your app and you click Apply. Click on your profile again. Take My Profile. Then head over to Integrations and click on it. Click on API Access. Copy your old token. Copy and then you come and paste. Move ahead to click on the Complete Setup. And your app will be successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a live call with our support team. We have the changelog feature as well that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and then click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, configure and set up your app. Our team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.